next weekend.
How long have you been awake?
I've been awake since 6 a.m.
Does she play any musical instruments?
Yes, she plays the piano and the violin.
Is it snowing outside?
Yes, the ground is already covered in snow.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I tried it for the first time last month.
How long have they been working on the project?
They've been working on it for a few weeks.
Do you visit the park often?
Yes, I go there to relax on weekends.
Are they studying together?
Yes, they're preparing for the big exam.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis every weekend.
Is he going to the store?
Yes, he's picking up some groceries.
Have you written the report?
Yes, I submitted it yesterday.
How long have you been practicing piano?
I've been practicing for a few months.